Information makes you to pass exams. Transformation shapes a person. The difference between information and transformation, or the journey from information to transformation. One collects facts, remember the concepts, you can explain to others. Knowing Bhagavad Gita, chanting mantra, learning formulas in physics, watching motivational videos, all that gives you information. But once you understand it, you internalize it, make it yours, that becomes real knowledge. The meaning, why, what, and how it matters to me. Ask that question. That makes a difference in you. You have more clarity. Your behavior pattern will change. Maybe that makes a small change in you is what exactly required by understanding. Once you practice it, once you apply it, daily routine changes slowly. Your behavior pattern with others changes. Your speaking and writing skill changes. And that is application. Once you apply it a regular basis, it is without any effort, effortlessly, that becomes your identity. No, there is nothing called trying. I will try to be disciplined. No, disciplined. I will practice honesty. No, I am honest. I will manage my time. No, you are totally structured, which becomes permanent, natural, effortless, and that becomes your character. That's called a transformation. So, information, that's an exposure, reflection, struggle, habit, and that becomes your identity. The information becomes a transformation. The question is, what level knowledge which you have? Information, what is correct? Knowledge, why is it correct? Practice, how to do it. Transformation, who am I becoming?